Welcome to Golden Television Official. The journey of a car begins in the design studio. Here, a team of artists and engineers sketch the car's appearance and structure. They create a blueprint that serves as the car's DNA. It's a process that balances aesthetics with aerodynamics, comfort with safety. Once the design is final, it's time for the prototyping stage. A scale model of the car is made, usually from clay or foam, to evaluate the design in 3 dimensions. This tangible model allows the team to polish the design further, ensuring it's perfect before moving forward. The next stage is tooling. Here, manufacturers create the molds and dies that will shape the car's body. They use the design blueprint to create these tools, ensuring that every curve and line of the car is accurately represented. This process requires immense precision, as the smallest mistake can lead to significant problems down the line. Now, it's time for the most transformative stage: production. This is where the car truly takes shape. The production process begins with the assembly of the car's body, also known as the body in white. Large sheets of metal are cut, shaped, and welded together, using the tools created during the tooling stage. Next comes the painting process. The body in white is cleaned, primed, and then painted. This is a multi-step process that includes applying several coats of paint and clear coat to give the car its final color and shine. Once the paint is dry, the car moves on to the assembly line. Here, the various parts of the car, such as the engine, transmission, suspension, and interior components, are installed. This stage often involves both automated machines and human workers, each performing specific tasks to ensure the car is assembled correctly. The last stage is quality control. Each car undergoes rigorous testing to make sure it meets the manufacturer's standards. This includes everything from performance tests to safety checks. Only after passing all these tests does the car get the green light to leave the factory. So, to recap, the car manufacturing process involves several stages: design, prototyping, tooling, production, painting, assembly, and quality control. Each stage requires precision, expertise, and a keen attention to detail. It's a process that transforms raw materials into a functional, beautiful machine, a car. And that, in essence, is how a car is made. From the drawing board to the open road, it's a journey of creativity, technology, and precision. A journey that results in a machine that not only gets us from point A to point B, but does so with style, comfort, and safety.